normal ka kenyam kanas jala kontin ba jo me ba jalin gwasme dio jeno nen yen turmet pin gwasme turna me dung bon ka man shal ke swa ban right commandant lat kana gwasme ka kwi mal ka rewi ka sa Sudan ken riti kon lat Caribbean kan chicken complain ki chi garajeno ken shol kan nan go de na te kamal rewi ka sa Sudan ken to dier ken ka jen 2018 peace agreement edan so ban manan lero go ban jo kule linkele no ngum chi kana lat and why it is important for us and what they calling mission me Banamadan Lero Guasme Banaja Linkel shall we swap faction call for inclusive talk to revitalize the peace process. Bonachal Soa work and shoot code na dega nyoka me loy can kamal 2018 peace agreement. Lat kan mali kangai kan and dakramachar tere ti jen chemandan ngai kon and wobadan dong de mal der ben gaje bala dobedian Banaja Linka Jalermane. La swap faction can group Michelle South Sudan opposition alliance can key opposition party mitre wika South Sudan share ke kum SPLA ayubane but party take a party jidine no George Kalat Guasemen group Michelle South Sudan opposition alliance Muraike Kennedy Yang Guasemen a former by president for service cluster Hossein Abdel Baga Akol Ken Shega Diana Dan and Cha Kwan Guad Michel K Joseph and Lagu Guasme Michikalat Guaseme was South Sudan opposition alliance every new call for broader national dialogue and concrete action to address delay in implementing the 2018 peace agreement following a 5-day consultative meeting in Juba. Why can she shoot Shol Kanano de Narudin Mat Guaskel de na mat Kimalka? No. Maladane Chatanya Dakamachar Kene Kirmiadi to Canada Malamo de Nyokami Guicarede Kadobadan Dong de Mal de Jel Nyokami Gorka Jakonge Kondialano Mal Chaje Latka Alt K Chaja Kapchong Guase Dane Shadakamachar me Chai Yenkaja. Shishiga Shalka me Joseph and Lagu Chateka Bonda Midodian Kule la delegation la lead delegation kajan Jolat can make a Kimal Kare Wika South Sudan. Jalado and peace deal has encountered serious challenge but say the recent consultation created space for renewed political engagement. Janen mal che baj ke che tel gwan melat kamal ke but che ko lado ne te ko do milet che chalep tene tensual ke activists re which ka juba shet ke men tu de shal ke mun yakane se kan men kan gare kan men to lat kan mal kamboni no and mal mo lat kan ode mal derben but mala issue long janene bonde ti la chol kan mal kan ai ken ramadan le men mela men ndana dong de mal de jenong. They are not these people to weaken men opposition party in Kokien. Main political party SPLAIO. Mete kamal medela de la kum SPLAIO. With that SPLAIO tele guambot and Kogan Pandi alati teleke match teleke the net work ke. They're just simply there, you know. Shangna moyo position di tele dormete ke. No. According to SSOA kajoran kelat guaseme SSOA Secretary General Moro Genesio kanishi grubian ke bondian chicken discussion chicken lat kanishi kan ben rar ka solution kana ngwan te lado de national dialogue de jalat ke de na de karwa ka bondial de kalat gwakel de nyur gwakel de ka way out de kana guch but kan bonati it nen konati mat karurin by the way shi ka bonden kon de kuma spela yoten ko ay kana gwado kan la lel kan dormu bi dong bi ka benefit and then bi kana guj no de kuma spela yo der taraten kana me e kachi chuong cha dem to no kuma spela yo de ja gagarar ka de dialti kana go ne Michel ke inclusive dialogue man me de ne dial de martin okay agenda na de ke invite including those outside no and ram no dong der je join no ko then a country then move forward together ko the peaceful election de jalat ko inquire ba jala didis because this is what is all about and alaken gor kano de kim yadi dara kom dara jeje dara kwar dara jananga jen 2026 be ko yiken ngajen tam pai wero ketel mi chana there's nothing has been done ko all the requirement it chala no ba 2026 election ba jalat keje tel mi chana lat no la parallel swap faction led by Hussein Abdel Bagi chiga jodi ni kana tubuno nene kane there is low implementation of the peace deal chatan kane male chatan tel gwa wetin tel progress mutin kane there is insufficient things chalat can all the requirement tel mi chalat permanent constitution kana tuk kan integration of forces kana lat kan dial kan kalat kan population census ba kana kolat so de malder kulu benede ki de coin kwade kul dadidi gwan meteti dialati dakatel machalat nyaguna kan kam they are still bombing people in the village nere kon kutin kula la voters ne bumal bukul benede ka gwata dien la swa representative kan MP niken la MP Clement Juma wa chicken insecurity man tuore which ka South Sudan chicken rɛydɛ which chicken internal division ta dan deg na rodin ke je gunre to chicken which candidate kontila key signatories parties ka chicken jiga no ne an ta dan en dong tana ka de ke je chicken to kume SPLI go kana kume SSP de roya kim yadi of course they have to know that chicken panic intel mude kana longa lene without Dr. Machar that the main point ko ngai kana woti internal division teten gwan mo shi Dr. Machar or sacrifice no ba mal bejenu kan wode lokir me yadi da ka bonati tikan ko te ka mal me de kan lat mal me lat ke tere ma chaten ke de me mal me dong tel gwade mal der ben keje so can all these issues kwa krene ke kir ko gore jeno bete ke gaf ka Dr. Machar ko chaje bi chabu te ka national election and can obe all these small parties be ke misled and o take a mal me gore ke I can even tell you that is the one pressuring them and all the national dialogue ba ko guje wajen go te ka mal mulatke but ram dictators la ya come ya la pellet kun then you guys gonna do your small talk but in the end of the day be ye gorno be ye yart ka be ye yan no ka che mishi ade wominen yene cause let's say do mu che guje no che de bom ne alo shi ro do yek che jin ram chi bom lo let shi de court ko de ka spread out shi de per kanal yan gwadran bekir mi yadit beje yot pin keje bekir beje yot pin la kam ji mi bla no ngani alla jin mutel mutu ko after that zero ne ni charge no na ko participate then bekir beje yot pin ajan ta dan let kir mi yadita so ga jo chalat gwasme why implementation of peace process bedil janya la to ko makan Dr. Riek Machar mekana konlin okay telemal mbeben so that's why chalat no Chadiman charge tabano Dr. Machar and his 7 co-accused senior SPLIO leaders should be released unconditionally. Baka di lun tele rami mo milep tokda ka baka lun bang. Lun jena mo betu gwada danan mo shikim yadi cheno kono bi malben. But melo ko jabu malben tel gwa ba lun geje. So South Sudan be stuck. Tell Michelle K 2026 election in this point. Kodi mi rami mo me don ku focus ni jen ko be par be consolidate o jana be yorar baram nung be yorar baram do din yogo so be mal be kul benede tel gwa mal ben keje so remember that no mal la be gwa da na leadery no shika mat gwa skill ke chicken way out chicken go no matter okay what will happen in the future and which can bot ke chai joirar then we just agree no neka no shikara me kana nok so bela take a chance ka gwasen be but chikira no go no take a national election middle so again nyen tama ene diality to take a position it chi o dear Canadian comment they don't care how many years they spend there in those position without bringing any real peace in the country. So tell me la so mugur kano bi malu ben la talk these people in cha yen baga dil kamrar bigger participate national election ka peace process before national election happen ko me kana kon kamra den tele gwan mo me bi mal be ben keje so na me de je nywa ka ye kele no